So it is like 6:30 in the morning and we're getting ready to head out on our first road trip in the van. Everything's packed up.
It's bright and early and I'm ready to go.
Now who else is excited? Navy, are you ready to go? This girl already knows where to sit. Already knows it's time for an adventure. Let's go. Hey, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're Ashley and Colin. After 2 canceled trips out of the country, we decided to convert this old van to take around the US. We spent the last 10 weeks converting this van into our dream adventure van. In this video, we finally hit the road and head to the East Coast. And we cannot start the day without our coffee. So Colin's getting us some coffee and food. The girl's impatiently waiting to get on the road. And there's my coffee. Made it to Virginia.
Early morning.
So we just stopped at our first, I guess it's a national monument. It is George Washington's birthplace, but we mostly just stopped here because we're really hungry and we want to have some lunch. And Navy needs to get out for a walk, so looked like the best place in the area.
This is the Potomac River, and we took Navy for a quick little swim just to cool off a little bit.
Well, as we were leaving the park, we blew a fuse. So Colin's back there working away, trying to get it back online because our refrigerator is full of food and it's not working currently. And if you can't tell, it's burning up here. It was at one point like 97 on the way up here. And we thought it would be a little bit cooler up here. Not. Hopefully in Maine it is.
So it turned out not to be a fuse. Somehow the load for the solar panel, essentially the load got turned off on the charge controller, which controls the light load objects in the van. So went into our app, turned it back on, and it's all working now. So now I got to figure out what turned it off and why. I think something may have hit it on the actual controller.
We stopped over in Pennsylvania.
At the Welcome Center.
Yeah, at the Welcome Center. And it's time for dinner. So Colin's cooking us up some vegetarian vegetarian
chorizo
for our tacos. Here we are sitting down for our first dinner in the van.
At a rest stop in the middle of Pennsylvania. Well, at the beginning of Pennsylvania. How's the taco?
Well, it's just tortilla. Let me have another bite and I'll tell you.
We're good. Navy, what do you think? I think Navy's a bit hot.
So we are stopping for the night. We just entered New Jersey and we're just off one of the service center areas. Colin's walking Navy and we got really tired because we messed up when we were going through Baltimore. The tunnel, you can't take propane, so we're trying to find a way around it, and it took us way west, way away from the coast. So it took us like 2 more hours to get back to the coast and get back to where we were supposed to be. So this is us for tonight. So this is our first night in the van. It finally cooled off, thank God, because I thought I was gonna die in here. But here's where we're sleeping. And Colin's out there with Navy. Navy has not pooped or peed once since we left the house. I don't know. She's not used to using the bathroom on the leash, so I think she's really confused about what's going on.